earliest musical memory is being given a cassette tape. Remember them back in the day? Aged about 6 or 7 for Christmas, and we had this kind of big old double cassette player in this big wooden box, and I just found the whole thing fascinating. It's just like, where was that coming from? And there was this stuff that was alive, all these sounds coming out of it, and you could change it with the graphic depending on where you move the things to, and it just was amazing. It blew my mind. In a way, music means life. In my opinion, it's one of the highest forms of study because it brings together so many different aspects of science and culture and understanding all into one sphere. And maybe there are other forms that do this, but I feel like all of creation is vibration, and we as kind of manifestations of creation are many vibrations brought together in a kind of harmonic structure, and basically the whole of existence is either something working in harmony or something working in dissonance. And I feel like we're all deeply drawn to express ourselves in a similar sort of way. It's sort of like we're given this tool of music, and we can express anything we want with it. Our sorrows, our joys, our pains, our relief, our hopes, our ambitions, and that's why it's so varied all over the world, because it means different things to different people. It's a highly expressive art or science, whatever you want to call it. In my life, I've been in many groups. I started a kind of funky rock band in school called Ewok, and then joined a Welsh rock group called Alcatraz, and then got a teaching in reggae, playing for Doug Merge and Omolra, and I've done a few deck positions. Played for a kind of folk band called the Moordeckers, and now I do a band called Regime, which is like a live hip hop, kind of little bit reggae. Yeah. And the seeds, don't forget about the seeds. Music heals as it contains so much feeling and understanding. People find peace in this as it reminds them that they are not alone and that there are others out there who understand their hopes, dreams, pains, desires. It works on so many different levels. Bass is a healer, as anyone who has enjoyed a good dance to a weighty sound system will tell you. Music speaks to our conscious minds, our subconscious selves, and it can realign our molecules and repair us from within. What we know about sound, vibration, and its capacity to heal is, I believe, only a fraction of the dynamics that exist in the interaction between sound and the human organism. As vibration, music also transcends the physical plane and reaches out to us on a spiritual level. What words can then be described? No, what words can then be used to describe that dance? Okay, Pembrokeshire is my home. It's a place I've been here all my life, apart from a couple of years I spent living in Bristol. It's a beautiful part of the world. It's peaceful, it's spacious. It contains a lot of artistic people. I feel like the west side of countries always draws artistic people to it, and I won't mention what the East Coast draws. I feel blessed to be here. I feel there's clean air, there's clean water, there's space. There's a lot of creative people hidden away in little corners, and yeah, I just feel lucky to live out here. My favourite place in Pembrokeshire is right here, or actually maybe over there by my fire.